Hey guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today we're going to do a short drawing activity called Yes You Can Draw a Bunny, because yes you can draw a bunny, and I'm going to show you how in some very easy to follow steps. All you're going to need is something to write on. Today I'll be using my dry erase board, and something to write with. Today I'll be using my dry erase marker. If you are ready to get started, I'm ready to get started too. Let's begin. The first thing you're going to do is right in the middle of your paper, you're going to draw an oval. This oval can be as big or as small as you want it to be. This is going to be your bunny's head, his face, his or her face. All right? Then underneath this oval, you're going to draw a U shape. And this U shape, again, can be as big or as small as you want. It could be a fat bunny, it could be a skinny bunny, it could be a tall bunny, a short bunny. It really is up to you. So use your imagination and be creative. So believe it or not, we're getting really close to Bunnyville. The next thing you're going to do is above your oval, you're going to make 2 dots. Those are going to be the tops of your ears. And then you're going to follow them down. One, and then the other. You see how we did that? I'll do it again on the other side. One, and the other. And that helps you get your ears on there. And then you're just going to make this kind of an oval on the inside of each of those shapes. Now you got bunny ears. Now I know what you're saying. Miss Norris, I really want to give this bunny a face. So let's do it. The next thing you're going to do is draw two circles at the top of your oval. These are going to be your bunny's eyes. And then give it a couple little pupils. It means little darker spots. And those can be as big or as small as you want. You can have them looking to the side if you want. Kind of silly. The next thing we're going to do is an upside down triangle. Now I think upside down triangles are a little bit hard. So I'm going to turn my paper upside down. And I'm going to draw a right side up triangle right above my 2 circles. And then I'm going to flip it back over. That is my bunny's nose. Then you're going to make a line that goes straight down the middle and curves up on one side, curves up on the other side, because we got a smiling bunny. And then I like to put some little dots around its nose. This helps remind us that bunnies have whiskers without being too crazy on its face. Then, right on your body, you're going to draw 2 U's. Yes, U's. 2 U's. And you're going to draw 3 lines on inside each of your U's. These are your bunny paws. Next, you're going to draw some teardrop shapes at the bottom of your U, like this. Some teardrop shapes. And again, you're going to draw 3 small lines on each of its teardrops, little claws on its toes. And ladies and gentlemen, there's only one final step. I bet you know what it is. That's right, a cute little bunny tail. So what I'm going to do is about halfway down my bunny's body, I'm just going to make some bumps. Bump, 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 bump. Until I get a tail that looks the way I'd like it to look. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is one bunny. And I didn't tell you this, but I'm going to show you a bonus bunny. So up here, I'm going to show you that bonus bunny. You're going to start by writing a capital B. You with me so far? You're going to put a little dot at the top with a V and an upside down V. You're going to make 1 circle with a little pupil. A little smile because we have happy bunnies. Then you're going to make 2 ovals. A fluffy tail. And this is the real tricky part. You're going to make an upside down C with a teardrop. And then you're going to make 3 little lines for its toes. And then up here, you're going to make a U on its side. And you can get also 3 little toes. Ladies and gentlemen, that's two bunnies for the price of 1. I hope you really enjoyed drawing a bunny with me. I know I really enjoyed drawing a bunny with you. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button at the bottom of this page. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. If you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button at the bottom of the page and click the bell so you get notifications when there's future content. I'll see you next time. Bye.